Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to work out guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to unblock contact number. Friends, by mistake you have blocked any contact number and friends now you want to unblock. So how to unblock contact number today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see how to unblock contact number. So friends, we will click on phone setting like this and tap here. So guys, click on guys your contact list. So when which number you have blocked, you can select here, and guys you don't know where is block number. So when direct friends, click on three dot option, friends tap here setting. Friends, you can use your phone call setting here guys. You can see there are many setting friends. Friends, you can see blocked number. Friends, you can check friend first your blocked number here. So which number guys you have blocked, you can check here. And friends, right side this option, friends tap here guys. So friends, click on unblock option. So guys, this number will unblock. Friends, you can see unblocked. So friends, come back and friends, you can check this number here guys. Friends, now I can contact with this number. So like that guys, you can unblock guys any contact number guys. You have blocked any contact number, and friends, by mistake you have blocked, and friends, you don't know where is block list setting. Friends, click on three dot option setting, blocked number, friends tap here and get which number guys you have blocked, and friends you can unblock from here guys. So guys, come back. So like that guys, we can unblock contact number on Poco phone device. Friends, now do you have any doubt? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.